Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are visiting a park that is one of the oldest and the most beautiful parks in Sweden. It's situated in Karlskrona and its name is Hoglands Park. It was originally built in the early 1820s, and was designed by Frederick Magnus Piper, who was, among other things, King Gustav III's garden architect. Then later, in the 1860s, the park underwent a major replanning led by Knut Forsberg, and he ensured that the foundation and glorious passages were preserved, and they remain to this day. In Hoglands Park there are lots of lovely trees, mainly linden, but here you can also run across ginkgo, sycamore maple, Caucasian mignut, black pine, and several other not so common species. In the center of the park, you'll see beautiful French-styled flower beds. In the middle of these flower beds, you'll see a statue of King Karl XIII. Not so far away, you'll see another statue, Grodan, or the frog. Parallel to King Karl's statue, you see a statue in the middle of a fountain, the Blekinge girl, or Blekingeflickan. In 2013, they added two new changes: a little playground for children to play in, and beside it, a little cafe. Now it's time to end the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new here. And we'll see you next time. Bye!